Shaira. Осо, тилапия. So many shoes for girls. I said why? I said to walk with me. I already say. What is this? Corn? Corn. How to cook, take a look here. Inside. In the walking street in the Philippines, they not do like this. And so many people, yes? So many girls here, yes? Илон, Илон, I don't know what is this. Potato? What is it? You don't know? It's not potato, Shaira. Okay, maybe our subscribers subscribers know.
But it's my first time.
I also don't know what is this. This is not walking street, Shaira. It's only simple street in Pattaya. Another bar.
For me, it's easy to walk here, but for you, it's not easy because so many girls here.
What you say, Shaira? Again,
I
say.
said, for me, it's easy for walk here,
Ага.
but for you, it's not easy because so many girls.
Because so many girls, what's right for me, not easy?
Yes, but for me, it's okay.
Okay. Shaira won coffee shop. We already closed some of bars.
They have time here. Maybe they will shine in you. Can't wait to start tomorrow.
Shaira, what you think about this street?
Yes, it's good.
Good,
Yes,
but so noisy.
that's okay. Unless it's so good. So many girls.
No, no, no. Also, so many girls here sit.
Huh?
Georgi is Soy 6? Ah, it's not simple street, it's Soy 6. Soy 6 is very popular. Okay. Taxi.
พี่แม่งให้เราหักติดระบาคนละ500ค่ะไอ้เหี้ยให้ฝากร้อยกูไป